guys, this is Vibe with Vije cooking vlog. Today we are going to prepare soya biryani. For that we need jeeraga samba rice, 1.5 cup, soya half cup, and tomatoes 2, onion 2, and some spices we need, and garlic 6, ginger 1 inch, and some spices like cloves, cinnamon, cumin, fennel seeds, cardamoms. All these we need, and 1 onion and 1 tomatoes. We have to chop it and heat oil in a pan, and all you have to add these spices, and then you have to add this tomatoes and onions and fry well. Then you have to squeeze the soya chunks and add it to the pan, and you can add cinnamon also 1 and stir well. If we feel lazy or we are short in time, we can think of preparing this yummy delicious soya biryani. We can make it quicker and faster within half an hour and satisfy ourselves. And we all know that soya is very good for health, and now we have to add smashed garlic 5 flakes into the pan. And nuts. Soya promotes gut health, microbiome, and it lowers the blood sugar as well. Early in our diet we must prepare this, and now you have to add the grinded onion and tomato paste into the pan. Soya biryani is a super delicious food. Now we can prepare it very quickly, fastly. It will take only 30 minutes to prepare this. Now you have to add curd 1 spoon, and you can mix the rice, soaked rice, into the pan and fry for 5 minutes. And then you have to add 1 spoon of chili powder and half spoon of the turmeric powder and half spoon of biryani masala into the pan. Add few lime juice, and we have to add 2 3/4 cups of water and keep 1 whistle. And when you open, you will find super delicious, yummy, good to taste soya biryani. It is an appetizing meal. For similar meals, please stay tuned and subscribe Vibe with Vije.